Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a curved line graph in MS Word. So to create like this a curved line graph, firstly you need to click on Insert tab and click on this shape drop down. Select curved. Now draw curved line. Press left button of mouse one time. So when you want to move, press one time left button of mouse. And in the last, double click. Now you can customize and modify this line. You can change color, outline, you can fill color. Here you can change theme style. And here you can give the some effect. So like this friends, you can create a curved line graph in MS Word. Thanks for watching.